Clickship Shopify integration tutorial. This is a simple and easy guide for Clickship Shopify integration tutorial. First, you just have to simply open your Shopify, go to Add Application, and then here what you're going to do next is you have to look for Shopify App Store. Here on Shopify App Store, what you're going to do is you have to go to the search icon and then you have to look for Clickship. Now, once you press enter, then you will see the Clickship application, and all you have to do is to simply add this. So click Clickship, and then you have to install this one. Now select Shopify App Store in the search bar and then install Clickship. So if this one is available in your country or available in your store, then you can easily install this one. And all you have to do is click on Add Store and select Shopify from the list. Enter your Shopify store URL. Authorize the connection between Clickship and Shopify store by following the prompts. And then the next thing to do is you have to set up shipping profiles, sync Shopify orders to Clickship, print shipping labels, fulfill the order in Shopify. But unfortunately, this one is not available in our place or in my country or in my store. Maybe I'm just using the basic version. But if ClickShip is available in your country or available in your store, then you can just basically follow the prompt. It's so easy. You just have to simply install and connect your Shopify store to ClickShip and start building your profile. However, if you can't do that on Shopify, then maybe you can do that on your ClickShip. You just have to create an account and then connect your Clickship to your Shopify. Tap this one, continue. And you just have to follow the prompt. So click Shopify again and then connect. But unfortunately, as you can see, it's not available in my place. But if it's available in your place, all you have to do is to install this one, follow the prompts, and connect Shopify to your Clickship. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.